I am so excited. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rhea and my YouTube channel is Rhea_Home for 4. Today I am going to be unboxing an LED stand light. I have been wanting to have a light ring because of, I take YouTube videos and I don't know if you notice it, but I try so hard to make a really good quality video, but this light ring might make a big difference because it's gonna improve with the lighting. But anyway, actually my husband, when I started doing YouTube videos, he changed the lighting over here in the entryway, because this is where I mostly film my YouTube videos, and he changed it to bright white, so in the video it'll become bright. But I am really excited with this LED stand light. Yeah, we'll look at it. It says highlight your features. But the brand of this specific light ring or LED stand light is Taotronics, Taotronics, Taotronics. And you can purchase this from Amazon, and I'm going to put a link in the description box down below if you're interested in getting this. But yeah, let's see what they have here. So first thing is this one. It looks like it's a remote control. So there's it's the holder. Sorry, I dropped it. But this is the holder for your cell phone. And I hope this will hold my cell phone, because I do use my cell phone when I'm filming my YouTube videos. And my cell phone has a phone case. So I hope this is thick enough to hold my phone. But there's that's what's in the box. Okay, and then another one that's in the box is the remote control with the battery. So there's the remote control, and with the battery. I'm gonna install this later so I can test out for you guys. And then there's the instruction manual. And then there's a $30 gift card. There's that. And then a thank you thingy. And then the next thing that's in the box. Okay, let's see. It's the power cord. The power cord. There's that. And then this looks like the connector to your phone. I'm not sure. I'm gonna read the instruction manual. What is this cable for? But I'll figure it out for you guys. And then the next one that's in the box is the ring light. I am so excited. So the other one that I got from the first small box earlier is actually I can't talk. It's actually like a backup for the phone holder, because this already has the phone holder over here. Yeah, that's a phone holder, and you can maneuver it to where you want to position it, and I love it. And there's the power button over here, and then let me move. So there's the power button up or down, so probably to control this, but I will figure it out later. So there's that. And the next one is the tripod. The tripod comes in with a bag. So this is actually pretty convenient to have whenever you want to like have a location filming. Then so you can put your tripod inside this bag. And this is the brand, by the way. So there's the bag, and then the tripod. And then inside the tripod is, okay, I think that's it, tripod. And then I think that's it. That's what's inside the box. So I am going to read the manual, and I am going to test it out to, you know, to kind of like give you an impression, first impression, and a quick review of this product. I'll be right back. I have assembled the tripod already. It isn't too hard to figure out based on the manual, but this is the remote control, and to open the remote control to insert the battery, you just have to turn this little thingy over here and then insert the battery. The smaller cable earlier that I showed when I was unboxing that I didn't know what it was for was actually like an extension cord. Not like an extension cord, but it is an extension cord to make the cord longer. And we'll see, we'll test out the lighting because there's supposed to be like 3 different lighting settings. I'm gonna mount I will mount my phone on the ring light, and then or the phone mount over here, and then we'll test out the lighting. I have connected the Bluetooth pairing for the selfie ring to my phone. All you have to do is just press and hold this button over here, and then one of the Bluetooth items will pop up in your phone, and you will need to connect that so that when you mount your phone to the selfie ring, the selfie ring is already plugged in, and it's supposed to have like 3 light settings. So we're going to test that out. I am going to mount my phone right now, and then while mounted over there, we'll see the lighting difference of my video. There's supposed to be like 3 different kind of settings. There is like a K button on this side, so you kind of like experiment which lighting you would like to do for your picture or video. And then this one is to increase or decrease the lighting. And then this is the power button, and this is the button to start the video or stop the video, and also for taking a picture. And at the same time, if you press and hold it, this is what you use to connect to Bluetooth. So we will experiment. So right now, the ring light is at white, actually bright white. I feel like I'm in a actual real life filming. I don't know what that meant because I haven't been to one, but That's what it feels like, because it's just too bright. But I think this is good for the filming of my YouTube video because it's really bright. I'm going to press K minus on this one. That one is pink. So I don't know if you can tell the difference, but that is pink. And then a deeper pink. And then now that is kind of like a really bright pink. So I don't know if you can tell the difference, but this one is yellow light. So there are different kinds of settings that you can select on this ring light, and I'm really thrilled that I have this now, because I can choose or select whatever option I can have to have a better quality of videos and better quality of photos. And then it's really intense, by the way, when you're staring at your phone, probably because I'm not used to it. But I guess the longer I'm using this, the longer or the better or the faster I could get used to it. But anyway, I really love this one, and it's really pretty easy to use. And I think I'm going to give it a 5-star out of 5 so far. When it comes to durability, I don't know yet, because I just got this and I was just unboxing this a couple of minutes ago and I'm just testing it out. But when it comes to the flexibility of the lighting, there are 3 lighting, and there's a remote control where you just whatever, select it and change the setting without even having to get up over there and go around and then select your setting. So that's one of the things that I like. And also the tripod comes in with a bag. It would have been nice if the ring light also came in with a bag, but it's not a big deal. I do have a lot of old, like those dust bag for your purses. I think I can use that whenever I'm going to go on a location filming. But I think like overall review and impression of the product, I'm really impressed. I really like the different lighting settings. I like the remote control. I like that it can hold. I was just telling you earlier that it would be nice if it can hold my phone because my phone has a phone case, and my tripod that I used before using this light ring does not hold my phone with a phone case really. So let me show you real quick. So before I had this light ring, I used to use this tripod. So this is how skinny the light ring or the phone mount for the tripod that I have before I had the light ring. And so I have this elastic to help or support my phone. But let's compare this to this one. There are 2 kinds, but they have the same thickness over here on this side. So this one is really thick. It actually holds my phone very well, and then there's more space and compared to this one. Oh, wait a minute. Here. So that's the old one, and this is the light ring. So you can tell that this doesn't have much hold to it. That's why I do have an elastic to support my phone so that it doesn't come off the tripod. But this tripod has helped me make a lot of videos before. This is not going anywhere. I'm keeping this as my backup, but I am really excited to use my new light ring with a tripod. And if you want to buy this product, I'm going to put a link in the description box down below. If you're interested, I'm going to put that from Amazon, but the brand name is Taotronics. Oh no, it's not TRO, it's TA. Taotronics. 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 But I am going to put the exact name on the description box down below, and there's that. So yeah, I hope you like this video and I hope you find this video helpful. I am very excited that I have this ring light now, and I'm hoping that I'm gonna have better quality videos in the future. If you are already a subscriber, thank you so much. I really appreciate you coming over and watching my videos. Daghang salamat sa mga Bisaya. Maraming salamat sa mga Tagalog in the Philippines. Thank you so much to all my American subscribers and to my outside of the United States and outside of the Philippines subscribers. Thank you so much. If you are new to my channel and you like what I'm doing here, you can like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and the name is Rhea_Home44. And I'm so thankful for having you here and watching my video. And as always, thank you for watching and hope to see you again. Bye!